Hello everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the first part of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, which is the first two layers. And it definitely requires some work. So, for starters, you want to get the daisy. So you're going to want to find the yellow center, and then align the white edges. This is an edge, this is a corner, this is a centerpiece. So align the white edges on the sides of the centers, so like that. And so do that with all four. Until you have the entire daisy. And don't worry about the corners just yet. Now you want to find this edge piece, or the edge piece that matches up with its corresponding centerpiece. So for example, this orange one, see how this one does not match up because blue and green. So this orange one, and then you're going to move it twice, or yeah, holding like this twice down to connect the white with the white, and now you have one edge piece. And so you want to do that with all of them, and you'll rotate the top as needed to align them. And now you have the white cross. So, fairly simple. I'll do that again. Got one already, so I'm just going to move this in various ways until I get all of them. Now, I line that one up, move it twice, line this one up, move it twice, line this one up with its corresponding one, move it twice, and we have the cross. So very, very, very simple stuff. Next, you are going to want to do your first two layers. And so how you do that, so you will have various different cases, like this one. This corner needs to go into this spot right here. As you can see, it fits right there. And so whenever you have this case where once you position it on top of where it needs to go here, then you move this layer up and insert that so that it lines up both ways, and then put it back down. And it has to be done right, because if you just insert it wrong like that, see, that doesn't work, and you can't just flip the corner. That's cheating. Sorry to break it to you people, but that's cheating. So anyway, you got to insert it correctly. So I'll show you another variant of that. In this case, it's facing the top or away from this, so you want to do this. Fairly simple stuff. In this case, it's pointing this direction, and so you want to hold it like this and align it like that. But if it was facing this direction, the white, then you want to insert it like that. Pretty easy. And I'm gonna stick with the red, blue, and white corner for most of these examples, because that'll make it easier for you. So with this case, it's just that. Okay. Now actually that's too complicated, hang on, we'll get to that later. Now sometimes you'll want to insert a corner, and sometimes it might be easier to just stick to one corner, so just do this one first, the red, blue, and white one, and the red, green, and red and white one, and the green, orange, and white one, and then the blue, orange, and white corner. But in this case, you want to do this one, so you're just going to take it out like that of where it is, because if it isn't in the top layer here, then it'll be in the bottom layer somewhere, and you need to take it out and then put it in here like that. And then sometimes, okay, hang on. Now the next thing you want to do is get the edge pieces that go in here. So we've already got this, and so we have this edge piece that clearly goes there, but that right there obviously didn't work. So what we need to do is position this with its corresponding thing. So basically, since it lines up here, red and red, and it's right beside this is where we want it. Let's say that it was lined up here, and the blue was on this part of the layer. Then we line it up with blue, and as you can see, that matches up, and then it goes in the right spot. So with this case, where it's connecting to this side of this little slot, you want to do this, which gets this part of this lined up, and then you want to rotate the cube and do that. I'm not a very good teacher, so you know, if you want to learn better, just watch JPerm's videos. But I'm just doing this, I guess. So with this one, we would do the exact same thing, but the opposite direction. Really simple stuff. Now, on really rare occasions, like really rare, you'll get the first layer. So first you want to get all four corners of the white, and then you want to move on to these, like this one. And so, in very rare occasions, they'll all be in different spots, and you won't be able to find one and match it up. Like you think you will, but that's yellow. That doesn't work. So in that case, you'll just have to take the edge out, and then align it where you want it, and do the algorithm. And then you can always put the corner back in, and then you can align all the other corners and edges. It's a really good example. And this last case, would be where you have this. You might have gotten all of it, and then you realize this is flipped around. That's not good. It's not solvable in this state. So, well, it is, but like, if you just went straight on to the last layer, then it would not be solvable. So you need to switch this around. So take it out, and then put the corner back on top of where it needs to go, and then just insert it like normal, getting this away, and then you can just do the normal algorithm for that. So yeah.